Auntie Punse, good evening, Auntie, good evening.
You know the
Auntie,
amount
me
of
know
time
say
when
your
me
ear
call?
said we have hurricane at Jamaica. Auntie, me never have no light. Me never have no light, Auntie, so me just yes, Auntie, me just respond back to your Auntie. Me see say you call about 1,000 times, Auntie, but we never have no light. But Auntie, wala no man. Auntie, me say me just get back light, Auntie, you not ear
You
clean
know
out
how
your ears, no,
worried me is?
Auntie.
You know
You
how
know
me a
ears so
worry?
somehow we no got no light, Auntie, from the hurricane. Auntie, I'm telling you, we alright, Auntie, we alright. And when we say we alright, we mean to say we not dead, we still alive. But Auntie, we no got nothing at all. Auntie, for the last barrel you said, Auntie, and the things them, when my sister them, your own sister where you have your auntie, which is my mother, Auntie Clarice, Auntie. And they never want somebody things them auntie and they left them down in the barrel bottom. Auntie, I hate we have to take out. Auntie, and then we have to use no. Auntie, auntie, and them, see there, and them are sitting your auntie, where they never want, and them we have to go back, man. Auntie, no food, no food, auntie, auntie. The two little something where they say fi buy and put on, auntie bread them long time. Long time the bread done, auntie. Long time before the hurricane even come, because remember auntie 1 week before the hurricane come, them I tell we say we fi prepare and we fi get this and we fi get that. Auntie, all the little crib them when they in our house eat off the food long time. Auntie, everything done. Auntie, the two little sitting when they left in the kitchen round about there so that blow off and gone and wash away everything. Auntie, the pot blow away, the pot wash away. Auntie, every God Almighty thing in the whole kitchen round about. Gone, auntie, everything gone, auntie. Yes, auntie, the fireside, everything, because you know, so we never have no inside kitchen, auntie, I like outside kitchen, we still didn't use, auntie, everything gone, auntie, I'm telling you right now, yeah, talk to you, auntie, me traumatized, auntie, me traumatized, auntie, auntie, when me look around, auntie, me never see nothing so yet. One little girl, Melissa. Auntie, me can't believe how the little girl bad. Auntie, eh? We didn't take the girl simple, but auntie, she come here and she mash up the place, Auntie, when me check you out, not even the 51 staff never bad, so Auntie Gilbert I never nothing comparing to this. Auntie, anything you can send for we, send it, Auntie. Auntie, member say I don't only me alone. Auntie, member say we have church people, friend, neighbor, everybody. So auntie nobody partial. No, when you send nobody just send for me alone. Auntie, all your clothes them where you have over there, the old shoes them, everything, send them, auntie send. And if you can beg some from your church people, then beg and send auntie. Auntie, no, it's not the time. We specialize in how we are get and pass remarks and criticize anything. Auntie, send everything, come here. Auntie, we need it. Oh, auntie, I beg you, auntie. All the money when me have in the bank blow away to auntie. Auntie, when me check auntie pan the account balance, auntie, we did have 60 pan the auntie when me check a zero, no, auntie pay a zero. Auntie them buckle water me can't buy. Auntie so
Calm down, me not hearing you.
auntie,
Calm down,
auntie
man.
let me
Calm
calm down.
down.
Auntie let me calm down and tell you. Well I know auntie let me calm down, let me calm. Auntie Savior send one money there, auntie. Auntie send one money through Western Union. As possible about them morning, auntie. You know what, person, they hurry up, auntie, send the money. If I want two buckle of water, them are grown and I grown things, auntie, but auntie, true me no heat from when I'm in a beard. Auntie, me can't take it crowd because me no want them smell me. Auntie, me no want them think say a dead body. Oh, so auntie, me can't go amongst them. Me have to
A
stand one
disaster,
side,
what kind of
auntie.
beard in here talk about?
Auntie, me no want them smell me, man. Auntie, me know, say I'm a disaster, auntie, everybody, none water, but auntie, me no used to them, auntie, me no want nobody smell me, because auntie, man to body, when this over, me no want nobody for attack and criticize me, say, oh, when the hurricane, me didn't think. So, auntie, me can't go amongst them, auntie, man. Me have to wait till me get little water to freshen up myself. Auntie, everything blow away, Auntie, all the drafts blow away. Me even drafts me no got, auntie. Auntie, for the hurricane, auntie, auntie, me no get to see him, no, auntie. So, auntie, me no got nothing right now. I, auntie, you don't understand, yeah, you don't understand. Just if you get one little money, I said come Monday morning, bright or early as the place open. Because auntie, me under pressure. We all are we under pressure, auntie. We can't take it no more. We under pressure. Oh, yeah. All right. Auntie, remember me tell you say me don't got no light, so me don't know when you go hear from me. As somebody charge up the phone here for me, auntie, so me can talk to you. So as soon as me get the charge again, you will hear from me. You hear, auntie? All right. Thank